Printing art on HD metal involves a multi-step process. Look closer. First, a client uploaded an image to our website and decided the size for his print. Next, the image is printed onto a special transfer paper using high-quality inks. When any dust is blown away, HD metal panel is stick to the paper print. Then heat press part. High temperature helps to transfer inks from paper to HD metal sheet, allowing the inks to sublimate into the special metal surface. Look at this. Vibrant colors and a durable, glossy finish. It needs to cool down before being mounted to a floating backframe. It is important not to stick your metal prints directly to the wall. It doesn't look nice. Schedule your visit to our printing lab in Tel Aviv or just order your prints online. We ship worldwide. Oops.